Hey beautiful people, how's it going? Welcome back to this channel, or welcome to this channel if you're new here. My name is Maggie. I post vegan lifestyle videos Monday through Friday. So if that is something that you're interested in, go ahead and click that red button and subscribe. I'd love to have you here. And today we're going to get dirty in the kitchen together. And I'm going to be making not one, but two delicious recipes. I wanted to just make one of them, but I couldn't choose which one I wanted for lunch. So I figured, hey, I'm just going to make both of them and then leave some leftovers and then share it with my husband. So the first recipe is going to be a spring roll recipe, which is quick, delicious, easy, nutritious, and it's kind of energizing because it's really light. And then the other one is going to be a gnocchi recipe. So without further ado, let's get into it and start making these recipes. So I have two peppers here. They look pretty similar, but the butts or the back ends of them are quite different. And I wanted to show you guys that this one right here that has the 4 lumps is actually a female, and the one right here that has 3 lumps is actually a male. And the males are better for cooking, while the females are better for actually eating them raw in like salads or such a thing that I'm about to make some spring rolls right now because they are much sweeter. So yeah, that's a fun fact. So I was not lying when I said that I wasn't sure as to what I wanted for lunch. So here I am cooking my potatoes for the gnocchi, and then over here I have tofu with some coconut aminos for the spring rolls. So 2 things going at once. Excuse the boiling potatoes if you guys hear them, but they're still on because they take quite some time to actually boil through because it's the whole potatoes itself in there. But I'm going to show you guys everything that I have laid out here for the spring rolls. So of course the biggest thing is getting a rice paper. So I have a rice paper here. I have a big bowl of water which I'll be soaking my rice paper in there. And then the 5 ingredients that are going to go inside. Honestly, spring rolls are so versatile, so you could put anything in them. But I will be using 1 green pepper, some cilantro, cucumber, carrot, and sauteed tofu that I did with some coconut aminos, and these look so delicious. But yeah, that's everything that's going to go inside. I'm going to go ahead, zoom this up so you guys can see it closer, but if you want the instructions and directions how to achieve this, make sure you check out the description right below this video. And yeah, let's get to making some spring rolls. Look at these. So beautiful. Have finally cooked and they're nice and soft. So this recipe, I don't know if it's ever been tried before. I'm sure it has, but I'm only going to use 2 ingredients. When I get my gnocchi at the stores, at the back of the ingredients, there's a little bit more than 2 ingredients in there, but I think the base of it is always potatoes and some kind of flour. So today I'm going to be using garbanzo flour. It's one of my recent favorite flours to do waffles with, and omelets as well. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and try it out. This might not come out, so I'm just saying, a disclaimer, this might not come out. But I'm gonna go ahead and start mashing. You ready, buddy? Otto's like looking at me like, can I have a potato?